This is a rope and pulley trash can opener. It's actually a replacement for a pre-existing trash can that has become broken. Instead of buying a new one, I decided to reuse the main trash bag holding part of the old can and convert it to a rope and pulley setup. The idea is that we need to translate the linear motion at the foot pedal input to rotational motion at the lid hinge output. This iteration is applying rope and pulleys to accomplish this task. Here is the final result. We're using 3D printed materials, wooden dowels, hot glue, and rope to accomplish this task. You can see that I'm using sort of a rivet technique. I drill a hole in the trash can and then place a dowel in between the pulley or whatever that part may be and the trash can, and then I use washers, 3D printed washers, and hot glue to lock the shaft in place. So here we are testing it out. Once you step on this pedal, the lid lifts up. It's designed so that when you give it a firm press, the lid pops up and stays up. That way you don't risk it bouncing down or not opening all the way. You can also just pick it up with your hand, and then it's just designed to be closed by hand. So here's a little close-up of the foot pedal system. As we lift the lid up, you can see the foot pedal come down, and when you close the lid, it comes up. It runs pretty smoothly. I've been using this for a day now. This is 1 day old, and I've probably opened it a couple dozen times, and it's doing well. It's in the same condition as when it was new. So durability over time will tell, but so far it's working great.